Hi, how you doing? Thanks for coming to my YouTube channel or my website. And please take a second to go over to my YouTube and hit the like and subscribe button. What we're going over here is a function built into PowerShell called Out-Gridview. The Out-Gridview gives you a way to filter and look at data on a temporary basis. Whereas like on a lot of servers and everything, you don't have Excel installed. And also a lot of people aren't savvy in PowerShell, so I'm writing a script for someone else. So they're going to execute it. They're going to have some temporary data they want to look at, but they want to be able to filter through and look at different things. So the grid view is a great tool for being able to provide that for other people. So let's go in and look at my script real quick. So I'm just going to AD and getting a list of all my enabled systems, storing it in this variable here. Then I have an invoke statement that's going to go out to every system, and it's going to get, the service name, the display name, and the start name, and the server name. I'll store that in the my data variable, and then just to clean up my output a little bit, got a little select statement here, and then I'm going to out-grid view. Now the reason I have a pause in here is if someone just was to raw execute the script, it would just open and close. So if you put the pause in there, that way the grid view will pop up. They'll be able to do all their filtering and do whatever they want to do, and then close it, and then they can just close the application or hit the space bar to get past the pause. So let's go ahead and run this. So this went out to every system in my domain, which this is a lab, so there's not too many. So I got my server name over here. And then as you can see, I've got another server name over here called servers. Then I have all the service name, the display name, and actually the logon account that's running this. And the reason that I'm concerned about this, and we need this, is a lot of times when you're a production environment, you have an application that's installed and it's required to have a specific logon service account from AD that's tied to it. And at times, believe it or not, that account can either get locked or there's company policy that that password has to be changed on an annual basis. So this is a way to go find those service accounts that someone forgot about from a year ago, and now they changed the password and it's now locking and they don't know where it's coming from or something along those lines. So here, the other great part about the grid view is now there's a filter built right into the top, so I can just type in like network, and now I'm going to get everything with the word network in it. And you'd think that this would be wrong, but no, there's the word network over here. But let's say I just want to have, everything in the start name column for network. So I can clear my results up here just by hitting the red X, go over here, and now I can select what column I want to search. So I want to add this. So now it's a contains, so anything in the start name, which is actually the logon account. Now I can type in the word network, and now my data is clean. So now this is everywhere you got like the network service account that's built into the system. But yet again, let's say one of these was an actual just regular user account in AD, and it was tied to the service account. Someone would be able to find it now and go change that password. Another great thing about this utility, other than just all the filtering, is you can just hit Control A and Control C and copy it, and then you can open Excel and you can paste it into your Excel files. And it is nice and clean and tabbed out so that it spreads out perfectly. So even though Excel's not everywhere, you can grab your information and massage it as needed. Right here on the fly. For people that aren't really too savvy with PowerShell, this gives them a nice utility that they can use. All right, so that's about all I got on this one, quick and dirty. Hope for somebody that's new to PowerShell, I showed you something that's a little useful. And thanks for coming to my channel or my website.